Hey everybody, in this video I would like to talk about some ultralight cookware. So here with me is the legendary Snowpeak Trek 900. This is made from titanium and is crafted in Japan. So basically it's a small size little pot with a frying pan. It comes with a very handsome mesh carrying bag. Okay, let's open it up. So here we have a really superbly crafted cookware meant for one person or maybe 1.5 or 2. So if you're traveling with a companion, you want to boil water, you want to cook something, there's enough space, just to fit 2 person. Well, just lightly. So this whole thing is made of titanium, and I bought it some time back to complement some of my other Snowpeak stuff. First off, we have a nice little frying pan that folds up. It's good enough to do some work with eggs and all that. So if you're doing some light frying, this comes in very handy. Or when you're boiling water, it serves as a lid, to prevent any rubbish or insect from getting into the pot. So let's get to the pot. This is something that you can actually pack 230 gram gas canister together with the burner into the pot. So one thing that got many ultra lightweight hikers attracted to this cook set is that the fact that it's ultra light, 175 gram in total weight. So that's a lot of weight saving if you're hauling, with your backpack. But in my case, I go motor camping or car camping. This is just a perfect size. You can shove in 2 packets of Maggi noodles on it and put it on boil. It will cook, no issue at all. So what I like about the Trek 900 is the versatility. It's very lightweight, and it works well as a all-round cooking gear. You just need to boil water to make coffee, or you want to have a meal, with a companion. This little pot may look small, but it's enough to cook for 2 person. So you can pack in a gas canister together with a burner. Everything just fits in nicely. So unhook the pot handle. This whole thing goes back into its mesh carrier. Like so. So the Trek 900 is retailing around $55. So you factor in the exchange rate, you can get it around about 200 ringgit a piece. But if you're one of those people who watches pricing and all that, especially when there's a sale going around, you can get the Trek 900 for as low as 175 ringgit. Okay, you'll be surprised, if you stack up all your voucher, coupon and all that, plus all your, coins and all the premium, coupons you can get, through any of these shopping portal. You are able to get this at a bargain. So this thing came directly from Japan. And I'm just amazed, at the lightweight and its carrying capacity. So there you have it, man. The Snowpeak Trek 900. Yeah.